Are you fed up of feeling like you have to choose between eating scrumptious meals and sticking to a budget? Well, look no further, because today we introduce to you the concept of the frugal foodie. In this video, we will be uncovering the secrets to cooking delicious meals on a budget. From budget-friendly ingredient alternatives to meal planning and prepping techniques, we will be equipping you with all the tools you need to make your food budget stretch further. First and foremost, purchasing in bulk is a fantastic way to save money. Items such as rice, pasta, and beans are often much cheaper when purchased in large quantities. Additionally, keeping an eye out for sales and discounts can also help you save some dough. Another tip is to focus on buying seasonal produce. Not only will it taste better, but it will also be cheaper. For example, buying berries in the summertime when they are in season will be much more affordable than buying them in the winter. Another key strategy is to be flexible with your ingredient choices. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and try new recipes. With a little creativity, you can make a delicious meal out of seemingly mundane ingredients. Last but not least, make a grocery list and stick to it. This will not only help you stay on budget, but also prevent impulse buying. By following these simple tips and tricks, you'll be able to navigate the grocery store like a pro, saving money and filling your shopping cart with delicious, budget-friendly ingredients. When it comes to budget-friendly ingredients, the options are endless. However, some ingredients are more versatile than others. Here are a few examples of budget-friendly ingredients that can be used in a variety of dishes. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Beans, they are not only a great source of protein, but they are also budget-friendly that can be used in a variety of dishes such as chili, soups, and stews. Rice, a staple ingredient in many cultures, it's cheap, easy to cook, and can be used in a variety of dishes such as stir, fries, salads, and even desserts. Eggs, a versatile ingredient that can be used for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. From frittatas to quiches to omelets, the possibilities are endless. Pasta, a classic ingredient that can be paired with any sauce, and you can create a variety of dishes such as spaghetti, mac and cheese, and even cold pasta salads. Potatoes, a root vegetable that is cheap, filling, and versatile. You can make mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, or even potato chips. These ingredients are not only budget-friendly but also delicious and can be used in a variety of dishes. With a little creativity and experimentation, you can make a scrumptious meal out of these budget-friendly ingredients. Gathering in the kitchen to create a delicious meal doesn't have to break the bank. In this section, we will be showing you how to whip up a few budget-friendly meals that are not only easy to make, but also delectable. To start, let's make a bean and vegetable stir fry. This dish is not only budget-friendly, but also packed with flavor and nutrition. All you need are some beans, a few vegetables of your choice, and a simple stir-fry sauce. In a hot pan, sauté your vegetables, add in the beans, and toss everything with the sauce. Serve it over rice or noodles, and voila, a budget-friendly and satisfying meal. Next up, we have a classic pasta dish with a homemade sauce. All you need is a box of pasta, a can of crushed tomatoes, and some seasonings of your choice. Cook the pasta according to package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, in a separate pan, sauté some garlic and onions, add the crushed tomatoes and seasonings, let it simmer for a few minutes. Drain the cooked pasta and toss it with the sauce. And there you have it, a budget-friendly and delicious pasta dish. Last but not least, we have a frittata. This dish is not only budget-friendly but also versatile. You can use any vegetables or meat you have on hand. In a pan, sauté your vegetables or meat in a separate bowl. Whisk some eggs, pour the eggs over the vegetables or meat, and cook until the eggs are set. You can enjoy it hot, cold, or even as leftovers. These are just a few examples of budget-friendly meals that you can make at home with minimal ingredients and effort. With a little creativity and experimentation, you can make a plethora of budget-friendly meals that will satisfy your taste buds and your wallet. Cooking on a budget can be a daunting task, but with the right meal planning and prepping strategies, it can be a breeze. First and foremost, creating a meal plan for the week is an excellent way to stay organized and on budget. By planning out your meals ahead of time, you'll know exactly what ingredients you need to buy, and you'll be less likely to make impulse purchases. Another tip is to prep ingredients ahead of time. Chopping vegetables, marinating meat, and cooking grains can save you a lot of time during the week and make cooking on a budget even easier. Another key strategy is to be mindful of leftovers. Plan your meals in a way that allows you to use leftovers in different ways throughout the week. For example, if you make a big batch of rice on Monday, you can use it to make fried rice on Tuesday and a rice salad on Wednesday. Lastly, sticking to your grocery list and avoid impulse buying is essential when cooking on a budget. By sticking to a list, you'll be less likely to buy unnecessary items and more likely to stick to your budget. By following these simple meal planning and prepping tips, you'll be able to make cooking on a budget even easier and more enjoyable. With a little organization and planning, you'll be able to create delicious and budget-friendly meals in no time. As we come to the end of our journey, let us take a moment to reflect on all that we have learned. From budget-friendly ingredient alternatives to meal planning and prepping techniques, we have equipped you with all the tools you need to make your food budget stretch further.